What a good boy Daddy is, right? Daddy is a good boy. Want some bunsi?
What, Raj? What? What?
Oh, do you want some? Good morning, friends. It's a brand new day. Brand new day. I just came down. I have to just kill this one. Welcome to another vlog, guys. It's headache since last night. Headache. And I'm having problems sleeping last night too. Like I keep wiggling, chins over here, chins over there. My husband told me the people is gonna be here between 8 to 12 morning. And so it's 7 something already. It's 7:10, 7:11. You know, 7:11. What is that? A Wawa. 7:11 Wawa. Yeah, they're gonna be here. I'm going to call my husband soon to wake him. Bro, he's already awake this time. I just wanna text or call just to let him know I'm awake and waiting for the people. Hopefully he will be start driving here because it's kind of long drive for him. So my face is so haggard. This bird is just keep yapping. This is what happens when you open the window. You can hear them keep yapping, and I really thinking sometimes this birds is like keep yapping. I thought like it's a alarm downstairs that I don't fix. I came down yesterday to fix it, but I don't know where to the reset button, so I don't do it. I'm just gonna have to wait for my baby to come over here. Tommy just left and he called me to let me know. I put something a little bit on my face, little bit tidbits. He called me to let me know that the guy are on the way here. And he just left the house, and of course the traffic is bad because as you can tell this hour this hour it's 8 o'clock and the people go to work. Of course it's traffic every morning, and this is to clean up the ceiling that I can't reach. Look at that. I hold it in my legs. Put it back to where it belongs. Oh, I saw the squirrel at the backyard. That two birds. I don't know. There is always two birds. Like try to play with the big birds or play the squirrel. The squirrel keep running, and the birds just like keep attacking the behind and the head of the squirrel like chicky chicky, and the squirrel just go crazy. Like the guy is here. He's checking outside, and he's coming here. Finally, we have an internet, but I don't know the password here. We have an internet already. And we have a telephone. I tried the phone, Han. Yeah. It's working. And it's a new number. I don't know the password in there, so... Oh, were you gonna make you want coffee?
I did it already. I already did it.
Where is it?
It's in the microwave. So
Oh.
I did it while he was here. I want to do something first.
Okay, all this phone is connected already?
Yes, every phone will work.
Okay, so it's not just inside in the office?
No, you take any of these phones anywhere in the house. You can leave one in each room.
Okay, I'm gonna put one upstairs in the bed.
Yeah. I just put it on each charger.
What pillows? Everything is there. So I can use the phone, call my family from here. I can upload videos now. It's not like crazy like upload like a bunch of videos and schedule it. It's late for like 1 week. So yeah, good. I can do anything now without Sprint extra charge for using the data.
Oh, this is supposed to come off, even though that's what they're showing you. Let me see that again.
Oh, they said it's supposedly be off.
Yeah, well, you know what? It doesn't come out, so now we want to go back on.
Well, they said it's recommended. Oh, it's turning down there.
Oh, it's locked, so now you can't open it.
So that's it's gonna do like that all the time we do wash. What are you doing?
It says it's muted.
Nice, there's no noise. There's no water. Oh, there you go. Oh, what? Let's go. We're in the grocery, guys. Hi, guys. See, Ryan, it's been a long time.
Hi, guys.
We went to Home Depot, then Walmart. Well, before of that, we went to Burger King. Your mama is hungry. We're having lunch. We went Walmart to grocery also for this house and the other house. That when we get to the other house, we don't have to go run to. It's a good idea, right?
Anything not perishable.
Yeah. It's not gonna go bad. It's traffic.
Tore the house down and he's putting, he's having a whole house built, going all out with this. And then he came across another deal. It was a great deal. So there was a guy that was already working on buying it.
It's traffic and there's a horse in there. In this truck,
Yeah,
there's
Michael
horse.
Beck. No, Michael Beck was, Michael.
It is?
Yeah, I think we're on the Michael Beck thing. Okay, I'm guessing.
Accident, guys. This is the post of traffic. Huh?
Watch it, guess.
It's crazy, guys. Crazy. Oh my god, it's a big truck and that's it. That's it, really. There's no small one. Oh, the tree's down.
Oh, there you go, tree fell.
I hope there's no car.
Probably was.
What is gonna be? Oh my god, thank god it's not us. The tree is down, guys.
I see no car there.
Anyway.
Oh, that's for tree to get in.
Yeah. Don't be close to me.
How do you like it out of the car?
Oh my god. Okay. Traffic over there on the other side too. Right. Oh, that's the post of the traffic for like half an hour. Okay, that's it. Hi guys. I'm editing this video. Before I upload this video, guys, I would like to shout out to Rothigarty. Thank you for the comment, sis. Home a while ago, guys, but my head is hurting me from here, guys. My head is right here. What? The headache. And my husband is making steak and chicken. And I made some salad already. My sister-in-law got salad. So I made it. I seasoned it, hon. And I made some mushroom also. So that's our dinner. I don't make rice. Salad and mushroom is good. Right? Is that okay? Why? You drink. You with baby. Oi, why you with my love? Oi. Water? You've been drinking water? You've been drinking water? Are you been thirsty? Did somebody add water in your dish? Huh?
Somebody did.
Oh, what a good girl. What a good boy Daddy is, right? Daddy is a good boy.
This is right empty, way too long.
Daddy is a good boy.
They had lost water like once a day when it's hot. Because between them drinking a lot because it's hot and how much evaporates.
Hi, Roxy. Roxy, a lot of people like you. Come here, tilt your head. Tilt your head. What do you want? Do you want treats? What do you want? Do you want to go out? We're already out. Who wants some treaties? Who wants some bunsi?
What, Rox? What? What?
Oh, do you want some? Do you want something? Do you want something? That head, that head, that head, that head, that head, that head. Hi, Misty. Look at that cute.
Come here, Rox. Come here. Come on. Oh, Misty comes. See, Misty comes. Okay, so when the food's done, I give Misty something. You can't get none because you don't come.
Look, Misty love it. You love it, Misty, right? You do love it.
She said, put me on your lap, I'll just stay there. I can't put you on my lap because I have to keep getting up and working on the food.
He's such a cutie boy. Come here. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come up, Papa. Papa, up na. Papa na. Apa. Do you wanna be apa here? Apa? Do you wanna be up na?
Oh, behind your back. I just
Okay.